back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be filming this quick summer face for you all. I say quick because it's really easy to achieve this look. I went for something neutral, not too heavy, not too much on the face because it is hot outside. I'm not trying to sweat my makeup off. So if you all are interested in this simple glam, please stay tuned to the remainder of the video. Hey y'all, we're going to start off with the eyebrows. They're already done, and we are going in with our foundation first. And I am going in with my Fenty foundation. I love this foundation. It's matte, and I love matte foundations. I do like to build my foundations up because to me this is not really full coverage, and that's what I like to do. So we are using our Real Techniques sponge to apply the foundation, and we are going to blend this foundation into the skin so effortlessly. But I wanted to let you guys know that before I apply my foundation, I did prime my face already, and I applied some setting powder to my face. The setting powder is to give it to absorb all the oils on my skin before I apply the foundation. I really love this foundation. It actually feels like skin to me. So when I'm applying it, even though I'm building it to a full coverage, it does not feel like I have anything on my face, y'all. Like, it is so lightweight. But this foundation is amazing. I'm going back in with the setting powder that I told you guys about. I'm actually going to contour with this powder. I know you guys are wondering, like, what the heck am I doing? There's no concealer on my face. So this is a technique that I like to do without applying a concealer, because I don't want a cake face. What I would do is go in with a lighter shade of powder. In the areas that I would apply the concealer to highlight, I'm only applying this powder. This is just a little technique that I came up with, and I love it. Like, it works for me. So foundation, there's no specific way on how to contour. There's no specific way on how to apply foundation. Whatever works for you works for you, and this is what works for me. Now, I'm not letting this set or bake into the skin. I'm just letting it sit for a little while, and then I'm going to dust this away or wipe it away with my brush. This Equate brush is from Walmart, you all. I paid $3 for this brush, and it is amazing, and it's so soft. It really feels like a high quality brush. I'm listening to my little music, but I'm going back in with this brush again. Just make sure I'm getting all of that excess powder off my face. Now I'm going in with this, what is this palette, you all? Oh my god, what is the name of this? Black Radiance contour palette. And what I'm doing is I'm applying the darkest shade in this palette in the areas I would apply my contour. Once again, I am not applying a liquid contour or a dark shade there. I'm only applying this dark powder. Another little technique of mine. And then I'm going in with my one and only favorite, hands down, Maybelline Fit Me blush. I'm a little heavy-handed on the blush, but it's not going to look like it when the look is over. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me highlighter. I was finna say powder. My Maybelline, I forgot the name. I think it's Maybelline or Masters Chrome highlighter. I do apply a lot as well. I go in, I get heavy with the blush and the highlighter, but it's all going to come together in the end. Now I'm going back in with this brush, y'all. This brush is amazing. To wipe away some of the excess. Now I'm going in with my Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This shade that I'm applying, I can wear this shade every day of the week, you all. And if you all notice, I am at the pan with this shade. I forgot the name of it, but everything that I'll be mentioning in today's video, I am going to list it in the description bar down below. So if you're interested in any of these products, please check the description box, guys. But this shade is amazing. It's an everyday go-to shade. You can wear this shade with any look, with any lipstick, with any outfit. Like, this is like a neutral to me, and I'm obsessed with it. And I'm going in with my favorite brush. And this is my Wet n Wild brush. I paid $1 for this brush at the dollar store, Walmart, one of the two. This brush is amazing as well. So if you all want me to do a what is it called, a cheap drugstore brush video of that sort, I'll come up with a name later. But if you all are interested in that, leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I'll get one up for you guys, because I got some pretty decent brushes that I use that are not expensive, and they get the job done, y'all. Like, they really get the job done. Anyway, I'm going in with this additional orange shade in the palette. I don't know the name of this one either. I'll leave it in the description bar down below. But I'm basically going in with different oranges in this palette. That was the reason why I bought this palette, because I love orange and how it looks on my eyes. And I always finish my look off with this inner tear duct highlight. This gold in this palette I have never seen before. It is amazing, you all. Amazing. If you all have not got this palette, have not copped it, you all are missing out. This palette is bomb, y'all. I paid $10 for this palette at Ulta. Anyway, I did my eyeliner off camera. Now I am setting the face with my e.l.f. matte setting spray. I love this spray. It's only $3 and it gets the job done. Now I'm going in with this lipstick. Once again, I don't know the name of it, but it'll be in the description bar down below. And I found this new lipstick for the Lolo, and I'm loving how it looks on my skin. Like, it blends in. It makes the lips look so luscious. Anyway, y'all, that is the end of this tutorial. This was a very simple, soft, glam, soft beat. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, because I enjoy making it.
Right,
I'm feeling myself though.
Video. I hope you all enjoyed this quick, simple glam. Like I said, it is really hot out here, and I am not trying to have a cake face and melt it all off in this heat. So if you all enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye.